Today at Whirlwind Family Farm, this is a video just kind of impromptu using my iPhone, no microphone. So hopefully we don't have a lot of wind noise today as I'm filming this. If we do, I apologize for that. But I wanted to show you something that I think will save you some time and certainly save you some aggravation. Is that here at Whirlwind Family Farm, all of our rows are 50 foot long, 30 inches wide. It's a standard throughout this farm. These rows behind me here, these rows behind me here are 50 foot long, 30 inches wide. And I'm going to have to do some replanting today because we had a lot of rain, as a lot of people know, here in the Texas Hill Country. And a lot of this farm just had things we're going to have to replant, like our beans, while we have some summer left. But the reason I'm making this video is for years, we use nylon string. As I'll flip around here, you can look closely. These are close to being buried, but you can see these stakes right here, and they delineate the 30 inches, and then it goes down 50 foot wide. And that's where we had nylon string tied for years to delineate those beds. Well, the issue became, as I would be working out here, I would trip over those lines, and it got very irritating. And I realized some people will put those lines down and take them up after they plant. Makes sense. We left the string there. But I've come up with a new method, a new way to delineate these beds as I'm about to do. I'm about to prep a bed, get it ready for planting beans. And I'll show you what I use now instead of having that nylon string. Look, here is a bungee cord that has a little metal hook on it. It has a hook on either side. And you can get paracord, or you can get some good rope that's cotton rope, and make it pretty much tie it the length of your bed. Now, what I've done in this case, these beds are 50 foot long. I made this rope, or this paracord here, is about, I'd say 40 foot long when I cut it. Tied the ends to this bungee cord, and you can see this bungee cord is about maybe 2 foot long, and I've knotted it up here a couple of times to take some of the slack out. But I just tied it on to this right here. The other end, I also have a bungee cord, so it can hook on the end of our stakes. And I will tell you, you don't have to do it this way. You could have bungee cord just on this end and put a loop down here to go over the stake at the other end. So what we do, and I'll show you one that's already been put down. You can see this has been looped right here, looped around the stake, and we go down 50 feet. And we'll just walk down here till the end, and you can see where the other end, which I made this rope or paracord about 40 foot long. So in the end, I could come in, again, with the bungee cord that's tied on right there, and then looped around this stake. So I've already done this one. It's so easy that when you're done with the job of making a bed or prepping a bed, you just unhook, take it loose, and you can see you just roll it up, put it away until you need to use it the next time. But in this case, I show exactly, I delineate the 30 inches. I'm going to put that other paracord, that other one that I just showed you, it's going to hook in right here, hook in at the other end, and you'll be able to see the delineation of that 30-inch bed. So it makes it very simple. When I'm going to come in here in a minute, this got compacted because of the rain. So I'm going to broad fork this. I'm going to clear out some of the debris. And the reason I'm going to clear out a lot of the debris is because I need to come in with my little seeder. And whenever I'm direct seeding like that, you don't want a lot of debris to get caught up in the seeder as it goes along with that furrow. If I'm just transplanting out of a seed tray, because this is no-till, a lot less of that little top debris even needs to be taken off. So the reason I want to show you this is that it's just an easy way not to have a line or a cord that stays there permanently, which can be a tripping hazard. It's pretty simple. You can see here, there's that little bungee cord that's attached on to that rope that goes down 50 feet, and you can make this fit your beds. If you have 20-foot beds, you could do it with a 18-foot rope and put a little bit of bungee cord on the end, put your stakes down. No matter the width of your beds could be 40 inches wide, they could be 20 inches wide, doesn't matter, because you've got stakes on either side. And as you saw, Again, I'll flip the camera around here. You can see how that works beautifully right there. Goes down, shows you that bed, exactly how it's laid out. And then when it's all said and done, I just pick them up, roll them up, put them back into the storage building. So, and then I cannot tell you how many times I ended up tripping over lines that I had out here permanently, and we just don't do that anymore. I don't know if you've seen anybody else do that. I'm the only one I know that's thought of this quick system because it's reusable. I'm now in my second year of using these cords. When they do finally wear out, they're not that expensive to replace. Any hardware store you can go to carries that, and it's easy to get and buy. A lot of different places. You can order it online from Amazon. So there you go. Hope that helps. Those are one of the little things that I've discovered over the years of gardening here at Whirlwind Family Farm. I wanted to pass it along to you. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. And always remember, we have another video you can check out right here. We'll take you further along in this process. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.